Had to step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my
silent from the get-go, bet yo go for me. I don't really need that though, please come get your shorty.
Okay guys, so before I do start this video, I did want to give a huge shout out to all my Yonke fam, everybody that's been supporting me on the build of the Mamalona, of those Mamalonas, of my brother's Mamalonas, and of the car build. Now guys, the car is something I've never done before, and I hope you guys really like it. I know the videos have been slacking a little bit, but honestly it's because there's not much to do, guys. Right now it's still really hot, well yeah, it's really hot outside with the Rona stuff. Plus it is really hot outside, so hopefully this car build gives us something to do for a little while, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy it. I will try to get it done as fast as I can, or pretty much to my ability. So with that being said, guys, I hope you do like these vlogs, and this is episode 1 of the Coupe teardown. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another one of Yonke's vlogs. Today I am going to be starting the Genesis teardown. It is right now in the backyard, so I'm going to go back there. I'm gonna bust back there. I'm going to start taking off the headlights, the bumpers, whatever I can. And I'm going to need to take off for the front. Whatever I need to take off to take out the engine, I'm going to take off right now. So the car is right there, guys. It's just posted up in the backyard. Oh, my dog's not out here. We're about to get down on this Genesis. Okay guys, so we are gonna get up in here. The car is like super dead. It has no power. We're gonna bust up in here. We're gonna see what we can start taking out. I'm gonna try to take off the lights and the bumper, at least the front core. See what I can get into today. There's the beast. Psych. It's coming out. Let's get it. Okay guys, as you can see, I did just bring some random tools that I think could help me. These bolts do look pretty standard size. I'm gonna just get to it real quick. I'm gonna see what I could take off. I'm gonna start unbolting, unscrewing, and let's see where this takes us real quick. So I'm gonna set the camera up and we'll get to it. Alright guys, before I start this video, I do want to say that it's kind of hot today, but it's not really hot, so hopefully it doesn't get too hot, because then I'm gonna go inside because I don't want to pass out. Just kidding, you thought. Oh, guys, before we start this video, I almost forgot to tell you, don't forget to hit that yonkebuild.com for your merch. I did just drop some merch for girls. They are crop tops, so be sure to hit up the Yonke store. I did drop masks, so don't miss out. Okay guys, so as I am taking these bolts off, I am going to get plastic bags and I'm going to label them so that I'm not losing any screws when I'm going to put back the car. I'm not going to be struggling. So I'm going to run inside real quick and I'll be right back. Don't forget to put your screws in the little bags. Alright guys, if you've been with the channel for a while, you know exactly where this keychain came from. And if you know exactly where this keychain came from, you know what's up. But I'm gonna let you guys know I did get it at Truck Fest, so you might see it in one of the videos from back then. So, oh fuck, oops. Okay guys, so I did finally get this light off. Now I just need to unhook it from right here. I'm gonna put this light inside. It is getting hot. I did just let all that gas out. I'm not sure what it was. I'm gonna start untying the radiator so I can get it out. So let's see what happens next. So now I guess I need to drop the coolant, but I'm gonna try to find like a bucket or something. I don't know. Okay guys, so probably after like, I would say about an hour. This is how far I've gotten so far. I did take out the whole core support, the bumper, and the whole radiator. This actually all came out together. It's even better, so it could probably go in one piece, and I could probably reuse that electrical fan right there.
I don't think so.
I might. Honestly, now I just have to like unbolt this pretty much, untie everything, and bingo, bango, it's coming out. What do you think?
Doesn't look that hard.
Nah, huh? I think we could do it. Now I'm gonna just leave it draining, guys. I think we should be good.
We're gonna drain the oil first.
Pull it out with oil and everything. You just need to untie the brackets pretty much. That's a big ass motor though. Huh. No wonder big ol' LS is fitting this shit. Look at that. It's like almost the same size as my truck, I feel like. Well guys, this was episode 1 of the Coupe teardown. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did like this video, be sure to stay tuned for more. I will be posting video 2 here soon, so we'll see you guys later. This was Yonke Vlogs, and peace out.